In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a coin to your watch list on CoinGecko. We'll start right from the home page, then quickly save a coin so it's easy to monitor, and finally confirm it's sitting in your personal list for fast access. Open your browser and head to CoinGecko.com. This is the main dashboard for live cryptocurrency prices, charts, and market caps. On the home page, you can browse what's trending or simply use the search bar at the top to find a specific coin. If you're browsing, take a moment to scan the list and pick the asset you want to keep an eye on. A quick tip here, double check the symbol and logo before you click, since many tokens can have similar names. Picking the correct listing ensures you track the right market data. Click the coin's name to open its dedicated page. This page gives you price, volume, and charts along with tabs for market data and more. Now, look for the button labeled Add to Portfolio. Go ahead and click it. In this workflow, adding a coin to your portfolio functions as a simple watch list entry. You're essentially saving the coin to a personal list so you can return to it quickly without searching every time. If you're prompted to sign in or create a free account, that's just so CoinGecko can save your list to your profile across sessions. After you've added the coin, navigate to your portfolio by clicking the portfolio option in the site's navigation. This opens your personal list where the coin you just saved will appear. Here, you can quickly check price changes and revisit the coins page in a single click. If you only want a lightweight watch list, you can leave holdings blank. The coin will still be saved for monitoring. You can also sort and scan through your saved coins to focus on what matters most that day. A couple of helpful tips while you're here. Set your preferred currency at the top of the site so prices display in the units you care about, and choose the time frame on the chart that matches your tracking style, whether that's daily moves or a longer view. If you need to add more coins, just repeat the same flow. Open the coins page, click Add to Portfolio, then check your portfolio to confirm it's been saved. And that's it. You've gone to CoinGecko, selected a coin, added it to your portfolio-based watch list, and opened your portfolio to confirm it's there for easy tracking.